Okay, so this is the third video in a series of 3 that I'm doing on Seesmic. And what we're going to cover in this video, this section, is functionality within each avatar. You'll see kind of lights up. There's a whole bunch of stuff that goes on here. Okay, so we're going to cover that both in Twitter and Facebook. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to kind of look at these items up here, which is the tiny URL services, taking images, and then shrinking text. So that's what we're going to cover in this video. So we'll start off with the user icon. So if you go to one of these, if you just mouse over, it's going to open up a reply option. Okay, so what you can do is right away, see this person, you like what they have to say, you reply. Okay, and then you just type in whatever you want. Okay, and then you hit enter, boom. You're going to send them a reply. That's going to be on Twitter. Okay. Same thing with direct messages. Okay. Again, this is going to show red. It'll have D, username in red. You type a direct message, hit enter. That'll send off a direct message. Very easy. Obviously, it'll give you an error. It's actually going to pop open a box. Let me just see here. I'm just going to say hi, Anna. Okay. I don't think she's following me or whatever. I think you have to mutually follow each other. Boom. Here you go. Sorry, but posting your message failed. You cannot send messages to users who are not following you. Okay, so she's not following me. This little icon right here will actually allow you to retweet. So you just click on that. Boom. It's going to put the whole message here. Okay. It will kind of look light gray right here if you've gone over the 120 characters. Right here, it will say basically what your situation is, you know, how many characters you've gone over. Now, this is kind of neat right here, this little gear, okay? If you click on the gear, you have a couple of different options. One is you could say like item, okay? So what that means is that you're not liking the person, you're just liking what they have to say right here. You just want to, you know, basically save it in your favorites section, okay? This one, in the previous video, we covered creating groups based on search terms and users. So you can just add a person to a user list, okay? Now, it's going to be a user list. It's not going to be a search list, okay? So you can just pick, you know, quickly pick out of the right here, add them, and then you're all set, okay? The other piece right here is that you can follow that person right from here, okay? Or you can unfollow the user or block them, okay? So it's all right here. It's a huge time saver. So that's the user field. That's the user icon. That's what you can do there, okay? So the next thing we're going to cover is right up here, add URL, okay? So boink, you just copy it in there. Then you can select whatever service you like, okay? I happen to like bit.ly right here, okay? You click on OK, boink, it's automatically going to shorten it, okay? It will put it at the end of whatever you're writing, okay? So that's how you can add a URL, very simple. Now add an image, this is kind of neat. You're going to open it up, boom, you pick up the image, pull it in from your desktop, and then it's going to stick it right in here, okay? Click on OK, and it's going to upload it to TwitPic automatically. I have a TwitPic account, and then that's the URL. You literally don't have to do anything else. The other thing that you can do with adding an image is, in addition to uploading it from your desktop, you can actually just add it directly from your webcam. Okay, so you click on webcam, it's going to open up Seesmic, and then you just capture the image. Okay, so it'll take the image, and then you select it like that. Okay, and then you can stick it on Postgres in this case. And say OK. Okay, and then I will just say late night tired, enter. Boink. So it's going to send it to Postgres, and it's going to send it out on Twitter. Okay? So that's adding an image. The other thing that you can do, which I'm not really a huge fan on, is that you can shrink the text, okay? So let's say that you are very wordy in the things that you like to tell people for the sake of it, okay? What you can do is with shrink text, you can go like boink, okay? What this does is that basically it says that let's say that you are very wordy in the things that you look to tell people for the sake of it. I don't really like that. Maybe it's like you have to be under 20 to connect with this, but I don't get it. I don't like it. I mean, I understand it, but I just don't like it. And that's what you can use.
It takes a backwash man to sing a backwash song like a Friday.